Hey everybody, I'm Randy Jones with Incredible Tiny Homes, and yes, I've got to tell everybody who I am because we are amazing, aren't we, Amanda?
No, we're incredible.
We're incredible. 10 by 20 Dalton on a beach, $89.9, done, for sale. Give us a call right now. You guys know these don't last. Now, this is not the one. We've got one in our Amish being built, right? It'll be here to 2 to 3 weeks if you want one in our palm tree, haven beach community. It has a lot. It'll be set up with your deck, skirting, set up water, power, and sewer, ready for you to move in, steps, everything you need to get into this house. It's going to be a burgundy lap siding with a seal, which is kind of a gray, tannish board and batten up on the dormer. 10 by 20. It's getting a little dark on us. We have been running all day trying to get this video out. Let us know if you want it. Give us a call. You can do sales at incredibletinyhomes.com. You can do info at incredibletinyhomes.com. Go to our website if you like. Our number is 423. What is it, Amanda? 438-0111. Okay? 423-438-0111. $89.9, 10 by 20, beautiful Dalton. I think it's going to be a little dark to go inside. We can show it.
Dark, but one of the things that you can see is on the website is that you can see the floor plan.
Yes. Go to the Dalton. It is a beautiful home. Let me see, man. It's probably too much.
Check and see if it may not be too dark.
Let's see. Oh my, man, it's staged and gorgeous.
Oh, I know.
Oh, wow.
Maybe we can see.
Is it too dark? We have ran all day long.
A little bit too dark.
Where's my flashlight on here?
Yeah, it's.
How's that? Is that too much? Show the living room, right? Not my light, but how does that look? See, this got this big, huge living room. Does that show anything?
Yeah, I can see it.
So you come in, you got your living room. Look how Melody has got this thing all beautiful up. Now this has got a picture window. Mm-hmm. The other one that you'll have will have one single window there. And then you got 3040, 3040.
But you can add the picture window?
No.
Okay.
It's already built.
You
got the mini split, ceiling fan, air exchanger, and of course, man, if you want to show the kitchen, right here, stove top range hood, right? Kitchen. Now, and I know you guys are saying, wow, he has no lights in there, my God. Listen, we have worked all day long, and I'm telling you, these homes are coveted. So is our communities here. If you have been watching, the people who are going to buy this are people who have been watching and waiting for this sale. Now, this has got a farm-style sink, butcher block countertops. What?
We're doing it in the dark.
In the dark, I know it. God.
Hey, this is a midnight sale.
They know what we do.
This
is
midnight
sale. All right.
Midnight madness.
And then, look here. Manny, get over here.
Well, give me a minute.
Come on, we'll walk. You got a shower. You got this is for your washer and dryer underneath the steps. And of course, you got one of these things here to get rid of your stuff. And then you got a closet. See here? I'm in the closet.
Well, okay.
Yeah, see? Is that a good light? Is that a good enough light right there? Talk to me, Mandy.
Yeah, that's it.
All right, there you go. And a shower, 32-inch shower. Closet goes all the way back up and underneath the steps with your washer and dryer if you choose to get a washer and dryer.
Well, let me show back in there.
What? Me?
Let me show back in there. No, I want to show back in there.
You got to talk English, man. Back in there. Let me show back in there.
Okay, so washer and dryer combo.
Yeah, there's a box in there. Yeah, and we've got a clothes basket.
Yeah, no stackable washer dryer
Yeah.
Okay, so.
Okay.
Okay, we're going out of the kitchen.
Yep, here's the kitchen.
Right here, the fridge. There's your water heater.
Yep, there's the water heater. I'm the refrigerator. Open up, close right here. Okay. Farm style sink, 3 cabinets, sink base. This is a drawer base cabinet and a 3 drawer. Then you got a cooktop, range hood, microwave.
I gotta. So funny.
What?
Okay, listen. Not only are we showing a house in the dark, this ain't even the house that's for sale.
No, it's not. Oh, by the way, this ain't it.
No, this ain't it.
Oh, we got stairs here too.
Hey, listen, this is tiny caverns.
Here's the staircase. Oh, woo! Oh, that's new. Come on up, Mandy.
Oh my God! Look at Ace.
Yeah, it ain't time for you to go to bed.
Madness. Okay.
Look at Melody's got this thing all dolled up, man.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Wow.
She did a good job.
And then he looked down into the dark living room.
Well, show the bedroom for just a minute. Lord.
10-4, ma'am. You see what I got to put up with?
Okay, now show over.
Over. That's it.
Well,
Look down into the dark living room.
the abyss. You want to buy this?
I'd buy it right now. You better hurry up. Call us. BR549.
Okay, not only, Randy, let me just go back. Not only is it not the house, and we're showing it in the dark, they ain't nobody working if you call.
Yeah, have to wait till tomorrow. Act fast. Hey, hurry up and go nowhere.
Hurry up to get nowhere. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is so stupid.
Ace, you're going to have to back it up, buddy. Go on, go.
Incredible, all right.
Yeah, incredible
Incredible.
that we're even here.
And look, it's incredible. We're in business. Can we show the living room at least one more time?
Isn't this beautiful, though?
Well, if they can see it.
Look, I'm here with a light.
Well, stand up like you was over here.
I like to sit down. Look, I'm showing the real life.
Oh, the ambiance.
Hey, does that not show it sticking up?
What's sticking up?
The light.
Stand up. Oh.
Hey, guys, if there's any men watching this, I know you feel sorry for me.
Oh, gosh. Oh, now there we go. See? Now that looks better.
This
Okay.
looks, look at this dining room table.
Yes, she did. Melody, you did a great job. That looks really nice.
Mini split, 2 sconce lights, an air exchanger. Give us a call, everybody. 89.9 on the beach.
Give us a call on Thursday.
89.9 on the beach. If you email tonight, you're the first one we'll get
Yes,
it. The
and
first
what we
email
will-
that comes in.
And what we always do.
First come, first serve.
Okay, you want to tell it? Okay, that's okay.
I did. See you later.
All right, bye.
Tell it.
Did you tell what size?
You're getting all offended. What? 10 by 20.
10 by 20, how much? Where's it going again?
You say it. You see what we got to deal with here?
Hold it, stand over and hold it there. There you
Okay.
go. Now,
Go ahead. Say it. You say it.
at the beach, the 10 by 20 Dalton, and you can see a Dalton on the website. We do have it on there. The other ones, the one that is actually for sale is coming within 2 to 3 weeks. It's burgundy with the seal color in the dormers and stuff, $89.9, and it's going to be on the beach, so it includes the lot to be leased, and it comes with, what was the other stuff? I can't remember. Skirting, setup, what else?
Deck.
A deck. What
Steps.
size is the deck?
8 by 10.
8 by 10 deck. What else?
Steps.
Steps.
Let's see. Skirting. Setup. I think that's it.
And then, of course, the lease option. Yeah. So
Yep.
you'll be over there at the beach.
You got it.
All right.
Done.
Well, good.
Palm trees sitting in your backyard.
I know. The palm trees are great.
Yeah.
All right.
Give us a call. Info at incredibletinyhomes.com. Sales at incredibletinyhomes.com. Or 423-438-0111.
Absolutely.
Nobody's there to answer right now.
There's the way to answer. All right. Thank you, guys.
Bye.